In Module 2, we're going to review how the court system and administrative agencies affect businesses. In looking at the court system, we'll be looking at the litigation process, litigation being how cases are decided using the courts. But one of the things we need to consider in business when we're using the court system is how might that affect future business or our reputation if we get to be known to be litigious? Well, because of that, alternative dispute resolution processes have been developed. ADR is what it's called. And what I want you to consider when you're going through the reading and when you're preparing for the discussion is if you were in a business situation where you were dealing with a regular customer that it's important that you do business with in the future, but you have a dispute and it needs to be resolved and you can't seem to resolve it through negotiations and discussions. Would you rather use litigation with attorneys and juries and judges and all of the formalities that go with that, or once you've read about the different alternative dispute resolution processes, would you rather use ADR? That's part of the discussion. And in addition to finding an article or video on the topics in this module to post in the discussion like we did in Module 1, you also need to answer that question. What would I prefer to use?